Have you ever thought about how your smartphone can give you directions from point A to B with time, exact location, and traffic patterns all in one compact handheld device? Well, it uses a technology called Global Positioning System, or GPS for short. GPS uses over 20 satellites to pinpoint any exact location at any given time. Satellite technology is used for more than GPS. In fact, there are over 5,000 active satellites orbiting the Earth, used for everything from the TV that you watch to surveying and mapping of the Earth. High-resolution satellite imagery can provide detailed, up-to-date images of a landscape, making it easy to understand surface characteristics. This data can be used to measure elevation, calculate distances, and identify features in the landscape, creating digital maps. These digital maps can tell you a lot more about a place than just how to get from point A to point B. They can tell you about the terrain, about the elevation, the climate, or just about anything else that you might want to know about a place on Earth. At Lingo, we help you understand that technology is a language, and that you can learn and that you can use for all sorts of fun and exciting projects that apply to the real world. In this lesson, you'll get familiar with all kinds of map features and navigation skills, and you'll get to go on a virtual scavenger hunt on Google Earth. This is GEOLINGO, where geospatial principles are mixed with technology to make your learning experience fun and exciting.